I'm gonna be doing a waterfall braid on Kim. Now, this is Kim from Jon Renau. I've already done a waterfall braid on the other side. It's really beautiful style. It's a good way to get the hair out of your face. So let's get started. You're gonna take a big section of hair in the front and divide it into 3 pieces. First, you're going to take the back section of hair and you're going to cross it over the middle section. Then you're going to take the front section and cross that over the middle section. Now, you're going to take some extra hair and add it to the back section. Okay? And you're going to take that and cross that over the middle section. Now, you're going to leave the front strand down and you're going to bring a section of hair behind it and you're going to pull that over the middle section. Then, you're going to do the same thing with the back section. Add some extra hair to the back section and you're going to cross that over the middle and then you're going to leave the front strand there and you're going to take some hair from behind it and cross that over the middle. And then same thing, you're going to take some more hair and add it to the back section and cross over the middle. And then you're going to leave the front section down, grab some hair behind it, and use that over the middle. And what I've done, I'm just going to go ahead and finish out the braid so you can kind of see what's going on. So you can see this is like a mini waterfall braid. I'm going to take a hair ties and I'm going to tie the end of the braid down and then I'm going to pin it underneath with a couple bobby pins. I'm going to lift the hair towards the back, pin it behind it, and I'm just going to go in and pin the braid. Pin hair to other hair. Do not pin hair to a cap. And what I like to do sometimes is crisscross the bobby pins, and that kind of adds an additional level of security. And there you have your waterfall braid. Now on this side, I have actually started curling the hair with my Chi Spin and Curl. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and see if I can just join these 2 waterfall braids together, because I was initially only planning on doing one side and then I decided, you know what, let me just do both. Now obviously I would use some sort of like decorative hair accessory if I was going out or something, or find a way to wrap its own hair around this thing so it's not visible, but we are just playing today, so it's not that serious. And I'm just gonna brush out these curls and show you guys how beautiful these curls came out. Now, I'm gonna take my tripod. First, I'm gonna put this wig on, take the tripod outside and take a picture for you guys in better lighting. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so it was hotter than the devil's tetas outside, so your girl had to come back in, but this is the hair. It's super long and gorge. Obviously the waterfall braid works, but I am gonna have to maybe do a little bit tighter next time so that it stays, but this hair is absolutely gorgeous. There are a few things that I wanted to talk to you guys about when it comes to human hair. These are just little refreshers. This is like my pet peeve about living in Georgia, guys. Like, I cannot go outside for 2 minutes without sweating like I'm in a freaking sauna. I really want to take this wig off now. She is absolutely gorgeous, but your girl is hot. Now, while I have her off, ooh, the lace front is like sweaty. I'm gonna show you the inside of the cap on Kim. Kim is a lace front monofilament top, hand-tied cap, and she's absolutely stunning. I like her because she is long. She's 20 inches at the nape, and she's not too bulky. Have you ever had a wig that's like super gorgeous with like the length, but it just looks fake because it's so bulky? Yeah. Kim's the perfect density, and she's just so beautiful. And the cool thing about this particular style of color is she is the Renau Naturals, which means that I can have her lightened or darkened up to 3 levels. So, in case you're wondering, this is Gwyneth human hair wig as well in 12 FS8, and she is super fun to wear. Same thing, lace front, monofilament top, and a hand-tied cap. And I curled her with the Cheese Spin and Curl, and then I just kind of let it sit overnight. I brushed out the curls, let them sit overnight, let them relax a little bit, and I got this gorgeous wave. I've actually already worn this out, and it's really kept its shape. And because I blow dried her and then I styled her, all of the humidity was out of it when I styled her, so she didn't get frizzy when I wore her the other day. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.